I got a package from Tokyo Tree. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, look at that. Some good snacks though. Whoa! What is this? So actually the theme is Sakura flavored snacks. Here is the menu of my box.
Rate each one out of 10.
Okay, fine. So
Enjoyment.
there's a drink also included. It's called Ramune. It's a super delicious Japanese lemonade that has been popular for almost 150 years. Ooh, then it shows how you open it. Oh, look at that. Parang may orb. Oh, it's like a marble. Push. Oh, so this thing supposed to push the marble down so I can drink it. So, oh shit! I did not expect this one.
Wow, that's a pretty looking thing. Like an hourglass.
Oh, ooh. This is good.
If his pinky is up.
Oh, this drink, I give it an 8. 8.5. It's fizzy and strawberry flavory, sakura flavory is good. The next is the Kit Kat Sakura. Kit Kat Sakura. Sorry. Haha. It's like strawberry. Putting this in the ref. Wait, melted. This I give it an 8.5. 8.5 is good, decent Kit Kat. Next up is the Pringles Japan fried chicken flavored. Fried chicken. Look at this. Look at that. I'm gonna take a sip of this.
It's fried chicken?
Smells like fried chicken.
Scary.
Bango. It tastes like chicken. Wow. I'm gonna give it a 9.5. The good, I like it. And we have Mike.
Nice.
It's a popcorn. And we have more candy. Sakurairo marshmallow. And some kind of snack. We have this one. It's a corn snack. This is an onion taro snack. And this is curry turtle snacks. It's light, crunchy, and spicy. These are the perfect crackers to spice up your cherry blossom brewing party for Japanese curry fans. Parang I wanna eat this. Oh. I give this a 9.5.
Wow, higher than the Pringles.
The Pringles is 9.5 also, so like
Oh, right.
This is a Umaibo cheese. It's a corn snack also, and it's cheese flavor. Oh, this is a this is tape candy. And then this is what is this? Ramen shop taro snack. Wow, tastes like ramen. fantastic. Yep, you know what? I'll stop here. I don't wanna eat up all the snacks in one go. Sayang naman. But thank you for watching. Thank you, Tokyo Treat. Thank you.